Welcome everyone to the KKCC class. We wanted to tell you that all the teachers thought that we have taught you a lot of concepts in Konkani for the past few months. So there might be a lot of things you have tried to remember over the last few months. So we thought it would be good to refresh your memory on some of the concepts we taught and some words. Of course, it's not possible to go through everything we have gone through in the past few months, but at least some of the key things that are most frequently used, so that you can start talking a little bit more fluently and your vocabulary can increase. Okay. And at the end of the class, after the review session, we'll go through a few examples of verbs in the first person. So let me actually just start sharing the slides. This ki sangati, you can see.
Just
Okay, so आमगा legend आजी a quick review Korea of all the past concepts, आणि मागीर we will see some examples of some verbs that you commonly use, and we will see that in present tense, present continuous tense, and past tense. Okay, and then we'll see some commonly used sentences on how to use those, but we'll go with only first person singular, Mari, Hava, or like me or I. Okay, so if we go through the whole conjugation of the verb, it starts getting complex, so we thought we'll keep it simple. Then we'll go to the breakout rooms, and there's a lot of concepts that we are going to review. So you can pick and choose how you want to use the concepts. And then we'll come back to the class to see what the homework is. Okay. So present karta, this ki sangat. You can still see my screen?
What?
Okay. So first the pronouns, right? Those are very commonly used. So it's good to remember the pronouns. So today Kavita and me are going to teach the class. So Kavita will go through the GSB Konkani words and how CSB Konkani sangta. Okay. So the word for I is Hava.
GSB into a Hava.
Hava. And you, tu, he,
to,
she, ti, it, te. And we will see examples in the breakout room, so that because if we give examples for each one, then you won't have enough time to practice. Okay, so we'll go through these, and then in the breakout rooms we can practice. Okay, sounds good. Magiri, plural pronoun. Amay, can you please mute? Thank you. Magir, plural pronouns for we say ammi in CSB Konkani.
Ammi.
Same word in GSB. Magir, you, if there's multiple you, so many people standing in front of you, you will say tummi.
Tummi.
Same. Magiri, they in me, if you're referring to a group of males, so te darla. Same. If you're referring to a group of females, tyo. And in neuter gender, if you want to refer to not male or female nouns, but neuter gender nouns in third person, you would say tanni or ti.
Tanni or ti.
Same. So it's easier, right? If it's similar, there's not too many words to remember. Magiri, possessive pronouns next is something that we had looked at earlier. Possessive, you remember what is possessive? So when you try to show it belongs to someone, right? So whose sister? My sister, right? So my sister. You say in CSB Konkani, Magali Bhaini.
In GSB, it's Migeli Bhaini.
So slight variation in the way you pronounce, but similar. If you want to say my brother, you say Magalo Bhavu in CSB Konkani.
Migelo Bhavu.
Your uncle. Tugalo Mamu.
Tugelo मामू.
Our house. आमगेलें घर.
आमगेलें घर.
And see the nasal sound here. Amgale. And also in kavitas.
आमगेलें.
Correct. The nasal sound at the end is the reason we put the apostrophe N. Okay. Magiri, his chair. Tagali khurchi.
तागेली खुर्ची.
His chairs, plural. Tagalyo khurchyo.
तागेल्यो खुर्च्यो.
Now notice khurchi is a female noun, which is why we use tagalyo. Okay, now some commonly used prepositions. So for the little ones, what prepositions means is that it shows you where something is, above, below, front, for makshi mukha, right? So in English, above, on, onto, or over, there's a couple of ways to say this. Vairi or unsa or unsari. This is CSB Konkani.
GSB into vairi.
So in GSB, only one way of saying. There's a couple of variations in CSB Konkani. Okay. Magiri, below, for below or beneath or under, you say mulaka, the la sound, mulaka or togu.
Same in GSB, it's mulaka or toggu.
Correct. And if you want to say in front of or across from something, right? So you would say in CSB Konkani, you'll say idrari or idura.
In GSB, it's yedraka or yedura.
So slight variation here again, but similar. Magiri, the next word is forward. So if you want to go forward, right? Mukhari in CSB.
GSB also mukkari.
Same. If you want to say behind or at the back, makshi.
Same in GSB, makshi.
If you want to say something around, right? Around, that's suttu in CSB.
Same in GSB, suttu.
And if you want to say between or in the middle of, amid, among, within, the way you say that is maddentu. There's a nasal sound in the middle. Maddentu.
Same in GSB Konkani, it's maddentu.
Correct. And then inside, go inside. So bittari.
Same in GSB Konkani, bittari.
If you want to say near, the way you say it is laggi.
Laggi.
So these are the prepositions. There's many more, but we give you a small set of them so you can use them. Then colors. Remember, we had learned colors in our class. So I'll say one and Kavita, auntie will say one. So for red, you say tambre.
Yellow is halduve.
Pink is gulabi.
Orange is kesari, eke narangi bannu.
Green is pachwe.
Blue is neele.
Black is kale.
Brown is matte bannu, eke tapkiri.
White is dhave.
Purple is zamble.
Gray is gobre barnu. Goburu is ash. And or udi barnu. Udi is vibhuti, if you may have seen it. So it's the color of something. Barnu is color. So we'll give you this list so you can go through it and use it in your vocabulary. Then in another class, remember we had learned days of the week. So every day, what do you call it in Konkani? Sunday, Aitaru.
Monday, Sommaru.
Tuesday, Mangalaru.
Wednesday, Budvaru.
Thursday, there's two ways to say it. Brastaru or Guruvaru. It's considered the day of Guru, so Guruvaru.
Friday, Shukraru.
Saturday, Shanvaru. So that's the days of the week. Magiri, we learned numbers and we saw a lot of students using numbers. Good, Mihir, very good.
Good job.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Arey wah.
Good job.
I think Mihir covered the slide and we are going to give it. So let's go to the next slide. Good job, Mihir. Time of day, early morning, you call it Phalphale. Phalphaleri uttailtu. Morning, oh, I'm sorry, Kavita sang.
Morning is Sakani.
Afternoon is Dhanpara or Dhanpara. How do you pronounce it, Kavita? It might be a little different in GSB Nava.
Just a little Danpara. Like
Dhanpara, okay. In CSB, it's Dhanpara. Evening is Sanjay.
night is Rati or Ratri.
Yes, there's a few ways people say it. Rati, mast Rati zali, depending on how you want to stress it, right? Mast Rati zali, it's too late, you know, in the night. Or when will you come? If you want to ask, they'll say Ratiyata. So, and there's some people say Ratri. There's influence. Ratri, correct. So all of them are correct. Midnight is Madrati. And then this is something new in this class. You have seen these verbs before in our practice sessions, but we just wanted to remind you of that. And we didn't want to give too many conjugations and confuse you. So the way we have structured this is, we'll tell you which English verb it is. Then we'll tell you what the root verb is called in Konkani. And then in present tense, in first person singular, that is only hava or makka. That's it. No tu, ti, ton, not the whole conjugation. Okay. So just for hava or makka, because those are the typical sentences you talk about yourself, right? That's easier to say. So we'll go with the present tense, then present continuous, and then past tense. So we'll give all the three tenses for each verb. Okay. So the first one is see. The root verb is dista. And in present tense, you will say maka phul dista. And if you want to say it in present continuous tense, something is happening right now. Maka phul dista sa. Or it's actually dista asa. But when you talk, you don't split it so explicitly. You say dista sa. Maka, and if in past tense, you say maka phula disle, like yesterday or before. Then Kavita will tell you the next one.
Look. Pale. Have tukka paleta. Have tukka paleta as. Have tukka palele, palelo or paleli. Depending on like if it's the girl or the boy.
Correct. For do, it's for the verb do, it's kari. Present tense, it is ha homework karta with the nasal sound. If it's continuous tense, if you're doing your homework and someone asks you, what are you doing? Ha homework karta sa or karta asa. And if you want to say past tense, what did you do yesterday? Ha homework kelle. Kelle.
Call. The verb is appai. Have takka appeta. Have takka appeta as. Have takka appele.
The verb for keep is davari. Present tense, you'll say ha pencil davarta. If you want to say I'm keeping a pencil right now, you'll say ha pencil davarta. Can everyone except Kavita please mute? Thank you. So present continuous tenses ha pencil davartas. And past, is how pencil davarle.
Sit. बैस. How खुर्चेरी बसता. How खुर्चेरी बसत अस. How खुर्चेरी बैसली or बैसलो.
Correct. And in CSP Konkani, it's little different. You say basli or basla. So slight variation. The next verb is stand or rab. So we present tense is how payari rapta. Continuous tense, how payari raptas or rapta as. And past tense, how payari rabli if I'm a girl or rablo if I'm a boy.
Smile. Hasta. How tukka. Oh, sorry, I got a chat message. How tukka पळवणू हसता. How tukka पळवणू हसत अस. How tukka पळवणू हसली एके हसलो. How तू पळवून हसलो.
Perfect. So just to summarize all the things we reviewed today, we looked at pronouns, singular pronouns, plural and possessive. We looked at some of the prepositions that are most frequently used. We looked at colors, barnu. We looked at days of the week. And then he taught us numbers. And then we learned time of the day. And then we saw some commonly used verbs in simple present tense, present continuous tense, and simple past tense in the first person, hava or maka. Okay, so this is what we learned. Now we'll go into breakout rooms and we'll try to create sentences with at least 5 words or more. Okay, so it's not too short sentences. Try to make slightly longer sentences if possible.
You're still sharing, Preeti.
I think it's me.
Here is. Oh, wait, me.
Vrinda, you need to say okay to go into the breakout room.
Kedar, have all the students been assigned?
Why? Kalaka?
Just to get started. So anyone want to try a sentence with a pronoun and a verb that we just learned now? Gonna try Kunal.
Kunal.
Tukal kartasu.
Tukal kartasu. Can we try with at least 5 words like Preeti suggested? Try to put 5 words into a sentence. Add something to tukal kartasu. See if you can add something else to it.
Tukal kartas ani tukal lakhe kartasu.
Very smart.
Compound sentence. 5 words, sorry. It should have been 3 or 4. Samvit, tu ek try kartva.
Okay, how do you say Monday again?
Monday? Samaru. Samaru.
Yeah, can I think of my sentence first?
Okay, think of a sentence and say it out loud and then we can help you.
Mihir, can you tell me how do you say I see you? How do you say I?
I forgot.
Does anyone remember? How do you say? Meghna? To hand raise kelva Meghna.
Well, Marta Chamkalali parking lot unto Crow Party Palele.
Oh.
Very good. Very good.
कसं
Meghna.
पडेल कसं पडेल
Crow Party?
True party पडेल okay.
I went to Walmart. I saw a crow party there. There were some on the roof and some on the tree.
Crow, you know the Konkani word for crow?
Kyla?
Kylo, yes.
Very good. And Mihir, can you say the numbers again? 1 to 10? See your face earlier.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9.
Atanavada. Very good. Yes, Meghna?
Meghna, mute Kadi.
What is crow again?
Kylo, Kylo.
Can you try saying Kyla with the L sound? Kyla.
Kyla?
Kylo, K, Kylo.
Kyla?
Yes. But use the hard L. L. Can you say L?
La?
Yes, very good. Kylo.
Kyla?
Very good. Yes.
Very good, Meghna.
What about her brother? Is he not
Sachin?
Sachin?
you
Yeah,
think of the
today.
sentence?
Sentence. Okay. The crow sat on the house.
Okay, can you translate it? Try to, we'll help you.
Um,
So the crow, how do you say the crow?
crow. Yeah.
Kylo.
Kyla Kurtavani Baseline.
Very baisla. Very good.
Very good.
Very good. That
Benny Gulabi like Zeta.
Nice. The gulabi rangu, okay, gulabi bannu, like jata.
Yeah.
And you're Ammai, right? Or Aniket?
Yeah. I'm Amai.
You're Ammai. Okay. Aniket,
I'm still thinking about one.
okay. You have a sentence in your mind. We can help you make the translate it.
Konkani. How do you say scared?
I couldn't hear you. What did you ask?
How do you say scared in Konkani?
stand.
Scared.
Sentence you want to say in English.
My sister is scared of the dark.
Scared of the dog.
Dog. Okay.
No, dark.
Dark. Kalo. Dark is kalo.
How do you say scared in Konkani?
Hitta hai ke bhain jata.
What? Wait,
Bhita.
what? Wait, what?
भित्ता मिगेल बहिणी काळकांतू भित्ता और काळका क भित्ता और मिगेल बहिणे क काळकाच्या बहीण जाता.
Miguel Benny
बहिणे क
Benica
काळकाचे
Alcache
बहीण जाता.
Vejata.
Good job.
Who wants to go next? Maya?
Let's see. Miguel friend cartwheel like Jetta.
Cartwheeler.
ती कार्टव्हील करच्या आवडता लाईक ती कार्टव्हील करच्या आवडता माया तुगेल फ्रेंड आका
Miguel friend cartwheel Alberta.
ती वेरी नाइस मीरा तुगेल घर कर दिवाली लाइट्स ऑलरेडी लाइल तुवे
Yeah, I turned on all the lights just now because you couldn't see me very well.
I love the lights.
I put them in my window when I was in college, and then if I walked outside, then I could see them from the road. It was pretty funny.
Ankita, you want to go next?
Very good. Yeah. At the next corner, Vrinda, Mangala?
Yeah, Vrinda and Kushi didn't get a turn with the numbers.
Vrinda?
Miguel school and two Dhoni subtract kalla.
Dhoni?
Subtract kalla.
Okay.
Nice. You were learning math in school. That's nice. Good one, Vrinda.
Kushi, kanche number ya?
How no वर्ष?
Oh, nice.
Makka 9 वर्ष झाले नव्हे Makka हाव 9 वर्ष म्हणाती हाव 9 वर्ष म्हणाती which is slightly incomplete. Okay, you say Makka 9 वर्ष झाली. Okay, very nice.
We do say how 9 वर्षाची.
9 वर्षाची. Okay.
Yeah.
How 9 वर्ष is slightly incomplete. You say हाव 9 वर्षाची जो Makka 9 वर्ष झाले. Very nice. Very nice. Next, काय on हात घाला उंच.
Oh, that's from Kaya. Do you have a question? I think it's from before.
Oh, okay. आता numbers झाले. आता तुमका days of the week उघडायचं असं days of the week. Monday, सोमवार. नव्हे?
Anybody ready to make a sentence?
With सोमवार?
I think Anjali made a sentence a little while ago.
Yeah, she nodded her head.
Yeah.
Okay, Anjali. सोमवार?
Summer, okay. Somaru.
Samara. Samar कल कर तू shopping वे?
School aka Vatsuli.
Vatsuli. हाँ, very nice. Samara school aka Vatsuli. Very nice. Okay. कौन है? Next, Vrinda, you want to try? Any other day? सोमवार झालं. आता तू बुधवार कल कर पण सांगतोय बुधवारा.
आजी बुधवार.
अरे होय मग आजी बुधवार होय ना. Very good. Easiest sentence. आजी बुधवार. Okay. Next will be Reno. You want to try? Shukraru.
Shukrado, maka chess class asa.
Oh, शुक्रारा chess class असवे तुका?
I mean soccer, not chess.
Okay, soccer असं. Okay, good, very nice. आणि खुशी नंबर खंयचे तुका जाय दिवसू? शनिवार जाय की आयतार जाय की? खंयचे जाय? आयतार वे? आयतारू की संडे? हा. हा.
मग आयतारू आवडत because ते एक weekend म्हणून.
मग आयतारा आवडता because
ते एक weekend.
ओके बिकॉज अक्कल म्हणतात की कलाक म्हणल्यारी त्या वीकेंड न्हय बिकॉज यू से कलाक म्हणल्यारी ओके व्हेरी नाईस यू लाईक नो यू लाईक आयतारू ओके आता कोण ट्राय कर नी बा
Kaya.
काय मंगला
Yeah, Kaya. What do you want to say, Kaya? Frame a sentence. Say all the days of the week. Get to choose.
Wait, what's Saturday?
Let's try if somebody knows here in the class. Anybody wants to raise their hand? What? Okay. Anjali.
सांग अंजली
शनिवार.
Why?
Very good.
Very good.
Okay, Kaya, go with Shanwaru then.
Sanvaru antu school na.
गम्मती
Shanwar school na nava.
शनिवारा स्कूल ना गम्मती करचे नव्हे अरे
Know how to. I don't know how to.
My chair.
The word for my is, oh, tu sang, Vinaka, sorry.
Megel. What was he saying? My what? My chair. So Megeli kurchi. Megeli kurchi. Can you say that, Mihir?
I think you said it, Mihir.
Yeah.
Unmute yourself, okay?
Megala kurchi.
Megeli kurchi. Very good. And if you want to say his chair, what would you say?
Megala kurchi.
His is tageli kurchi. His tageli kurchi.
Megala kurchi.
Very good.
Very good. And Samvit, how do you say your uncle?
Mamu.
Tugelo mamu. How would you say your uncle comes to my house?
Magal mamu.
Your uncle comes to my house.
Magal mamu comes to my ghara. Magal ghara.
Miguel Mamo. Tugel घर कड़ है और Tugel घरा.
Tugel ghara.
But or yetta, whatever. Yeah.
Can you say it, Samvit? Right?
Magal babu Tugel ghara.
Vatta or yetta, either one is fine. He goes to your house or comes to your house, either way.
Vatta.
Yeah.
Very good.
Good. Who else? Who are we?
Colors use question.
Meghna. Can you tell me how you would say, I have a green bag?
Have a?
I have a green bag.
Hava ani bag.
Bag is chila, remember? Hava is my bag. So it's I have a bag.
Hava ani pachve bag chile.
Pachve bag, pachve chila is correct. But if you have a green bag, you would say mege lagi chila
Panche chile.
pachve chila asa mege lagi pachve chila asa pachve green chila is bag. Good.
Many of you
What
have
about Kunal?
Many of you have a white door behind you. So you want to say there is a white door behind me?
Or Kunal can say something about the sky behind them.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, good idea.
Maka Akashantu how Makta Nila Akasha तू एक धवे cloud दिसतस.
Very nice.
Mod.
Very complicated. Mod
is cloud. Neele Akashantu Makka Dave Mod Dista or Distas.
नीळ आकाशांतू म्हाका एक धवे मोड दिसतस.
Very good.
Very good.
Very good.
Oh, Samvit is raising his hand.
Okay, Samvit.
Okay, Kala means banana, right?
Kala is banana, but Kala is black.
But Kalas.
Say your English sentence. Say your English sentence.
My banana is black.
Okay, say it in Konkani now.
Magal Kalas. Kalas.
Miguel Kalas. Wow, good one.
It's a tongue twister.
Yeah. And suppose you want to say it was yellow and now it's black. Anyone want to try? The banana was yellow and now it is black. It's okay to make mistakes.
Magal Kala Haldu Asa
Halduve
Asa Mageri Kala Asa.
Miguel, you would say Miguel Kala Halduve Ashile. It was Atta Kala Zalne. It became black.
Okay.
Good job, Samvit.
Very good. Hey, Samvit. How would you say I come home at 6 o'clock?
Hava Gara Vata at
6. Six, not
so
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Anyone's background, and then you can pick something.
Makka fireplace dista asa.
Kalmakshi fireplace this so very nice.
अंकिता तुका अन्नी कसे दिसले वे background अंकित?
Makka lamp dista asa.
Good job.
Kedar Mamal Makshi Golden Gate Bridge this tasa.
गोल्डन गेट ब्रिज खंच्या कसल्या वैर असं माया
Together like gara distasa.
very good but
like this tasa.
निगेल हा तुगेल घर like this very good though. We also covered Vairi, Togu, right? So Ankita, you said you see a lamp.
Okay. Kaun karta? Preposition. No prepositions? Vairi, Taggu, Suttu.
Kaya. Vrunda. Okay, we see
Vrunda.
hands up there.
Okay. He's having dinner, I think. Vrunda? Stand up.
Okay, Kaya has her hand up too.
Oh.
How very wata.
Our Vairi? Kai vata? Vairi kai? Kudan tu hai?
Stairs.
Upstairs.
Okay, upstairs. Okay.
Good one, Vrunda.
Nice.
Okay, Kaya.
Kaya?
How Taggu bedantu wata.
Bedantu vata.
Oh, bedantu.
Kaya, are you sleepy?
Feeling sleepy, Kaya?
My bed.
Yeah, she's talking about only bed. Apa need highlight.
Yeah. Did you have a long day at school today?
Yes.
Oh, okay. That explains.
Reno and Hat. Okay, Reno.
Igile mukari sune asa.
Oh, wow. Very good. Perfect. Next corner. Khushi?
Magal bhawal kuda magal ajbazu.
Wow. Very nice. Very nice.
Good job, Khushi.
Good. Bazooka. No, eh? Very nice. Next corner. Anjali was there. Anjali. You can use any preposition you like. Unsa, taggu, bhaira, bhittari, anything.
Ek banta, unsari. How do you say owl?
Owl. Amchigalandu.
Google is.
Gugum.
Gugum.
Gugum. Bashilo.
Either bashilo or bashila. Okay? Okay? Yeah, nice.
We learned a new one today, Gugumu.
Yeah, Gugum. Why? Even I have to think what we say for Gugum. Gugum. Very nice.
Okay, what's left?
Everyone, numbers, select, time of the day, prepositions, days of the week. Yeah, we are done.
There is pronouns, but I think that's fine with them. They know those.
Yeah. Can anyone try? Of course, this is new today. Can anyone try present tense? Any sentence. Something which you are doing, which you did today.
I think it will be easy for Vrunda.
Yes. Present tense. Simple present tense. Present tense means something which you did today. Past tense means which you have already finished, done yesterday. Okay? And present continuous means something which you are doing right now. Okay?
Okay, Vrunda has her hand up.
Oh, wow, very good. Vrunda?
How do you say today?
Aji.
Aji. School anto. What? How a pie?
No, I said present tense.
Okay.
Aji hava skulaka watsuno aile.
Aji how
Ami Besla.
Ami
Besla asa.
Ami class antu bus lanchi or
Ami class antu bus lechi.
very good.
Because
See how you said in the class antu. Remember that antu we had learned about? You remember that? Class antu.
Meghna, if you're going to want to use asa, then you say hava class antu basta asa. You say basta asa, but if you say bais lanchi, then you don't use bais lanchi asa.
Okay.
Okay. Can you use basta asa into a sentence now?
Have a base asa.
Basta asa.
Bench asa.
Benchari basta asa.
Benchari basta asa.
That's right. Good
job.
Samit, you want to try? How will you say I'm sitting on a chair?
Have a chair, a baista.
Baisla or basta asa or chairari.
Baisla.
How chairari baisla. Or
chairari baisla.
Yeah. Or our chairari basta asa. If you want to say I am sitting on a chair, you'd say how chairari or kurcheri basta asa.
Okay.
Kunal, how will you say I'm standing under a tree?
How ek ruke to bus.
Good job. Good try.
Ruka mula ka ruka ta.
Ruka mula basla.
Very good. Mihir, tu try kartva. How do you say I? Hava. What are you sitting on, Mihir?
Chair.
What do you say for a chair? You just heard it. Kurchi.
Kurchi.
And if you want to say on the chair, kurcheri.
Kurcheri.
How do you say I'm sitting?
Maka kurcheri.
Am kurcheri basla.
Kurcheri bisala.
Baisla basla.
Samvit, how do you say I'm doing my homework?
How homework karta sa.
Very good.
Hey.
Next time your mom asks you what are you doing, say it in Konkani, okay?
Okay.
You can say for extra credit, you can say how kurcheri basla ani homework karta asa.
How kurcheri basla and
Ani, yeah.
Ani homework karta sa.
Karta asa. Very good.
Meghna, you're always smiling. So how do you say I smile?
You're unmuted, genius.
Have a hasta.
Very good. Hasta. Wait. The hastana.
And suppose Sachin cracks a joke as he always does. And then you say, I look at you and I smile. How do you say that?
Have a tummy.
Fungus pade, tagu pade.
Avatukka.
Havatuka palavnu hasta.
That's right.
Good.
Makka polonni, Sachina polano. Sachina polan hastanavtu. Sachin, can you tell us a sentence using, let's see. I look at Meghna and she smiles.
Havatuletasa.
Uletasa. Kaya? No question. Don't want question. Our
Were you writing down something?
yeah. Right. Our Baretasa. Our said I am writing. Our Baretasa. I gave you a lot of examples. How nidatasa, how paletasa, how khatasa, how pitasa. Okay. Very nice. All of you. Perfect today.
Good job, everyone.
You have to leave that class.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
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 Kedar, is everyone back?
Yes, they are back.
The smiles after breakout rooms are precious. Looks like everyone enjoys the breakout rooms a lot.
Today all the kids are so good, yeah. Making sentences.
So the homework is that I will share this presentation with you, and you can pick any of the concepts that we reviewed today and just mix and match. Okay, mix and match and make at least 5 sentences. And then in each sentence, try to make them as long as possible, because that way you'll get more practice and you'll be more comfortable with Konkani. Okay. And just to make it easy, stick to first person singular if it's easier. If you want, you can use other, second person, third person as well. Okay. So with that, we'll conclude the class. Thank you, everyone. Thanks.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Me here. Bye, everyone. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.